Hey friends, if you wish to enable Auto HDR in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Display, select HDR. Now, here's the interesting thing. You have HDR and it is supported, okay, but there is another switch here called HDR video streaming. Now the auto HDR option is gone. Instead we have this option. So when you turn it on, the display will start streaming HDR videos whenever available for best results. Okay, so Auto HDR is already enabled here, but your system needs to be in the capacity to do that. Okay, if your system does not have sufficient what do we say, resources, it doesn't have a sufficiently good monitor and all, it won't play HDR even if the option is turned on. So as far as your hardware supports HDR, this HDR Auto HDR option will push for HDR video quality over the SDR one. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.